My name's Emma and I'm here to show you how to make our beeswax wrap kit for the week of May 3rd. What you'll have in your kit is a plastic bag that is filled with beeswax pellets. Those are the little white pellets at the bottom. They'll look like this. And you'll want to keep those. You're going to be given a sheet of fabric and a paintbrush. This guy right here. And so what you'll want is you'll want to get a piece of tin foil and put it on a sheet pan. And on that sheet pan, you'll put the piece of fabric. And then you will take those beeswax pellets and you will sprinkle them over the top of the piece of fabric. And you want to make sure that they're kind of evenly spread out so that when this goes in the oven, it spreads out really well. So you just want to make sure that you get some in the corners, kind of on the edges, and you'll just kind of evenly spread those out. And it should look like that. And now what you'll want to do is you'll set your oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit. And when it reaches that temperature, you will put this in for 4 minutes. So I've taken the beeswax wrap out of the oven, and as you can see, all of the pellets have melted. And we provide the paintbrush to help you smooth it over in case, there's an edge that's not fully got the wax on it, or if you see that there's a area that's pooling, you can kind of distribute that a little bit better. And then what you'll want to do is very carefully peel up this from the tin foil, and you will want to let it dry and let it cool down a little bit, and then you have your own beeswax wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It's a great way to wrap up a snack or some other little small items without using a plastic bag.